scans also. Let's do the NASDAQ analysis. I hope you have a very good day. So I already sent US 30 analysis. So now at the moment we're gonna just analyze NASDAQ, and then after you're gonna go to CNBC and check what the analysts say, because they also have a very nice information here. You can see they say a moment ago, obviously maybe it's a few seconds, obviously. So if you come here, you will see something that I always talk about. They say Wall Street set to rise after best week since November. You can see here. It's just that my mouse doesn't draw that well. You can see here. Check they say Wall Street set to rise. So it means the analyst, they expect the market to go up, right? So let's go to our NASDAQ analysis. So here, so that also include US 30. If please do check US 30 analysis, I already sent. So it also include US 30. So it means if you check the analysis there, it means our analysis also showed that we're gonna have a nice buy, but you can wait for the market to open and see what you can do. So here you can see here it's our resistance, sorry, our support already, and here it's our resistance. Let's see. So but the way I will analyze this one, because if you still remember last week we had this resistance here, and you can see the market already broke that resistance, already broke this resistance here. So I expect it to come here and to go up, but I'm not convinced at the moment to buy NASDAQ here. It's really very high, but if you're an aggressive trader, you can take a trade from this point, because the market is set to go up before the market open, or a few minutes before the market open, or when the time a market open, the market might drop a little bit, come here and test here and go up again, you know. So and do something like this. So for me, I'm still waiting for it to come this point. Let me show you on an hour, 4 hour time frame. I'm waiting for the market to do something like this, then I will buy. So at the moment, what I see something like this here. Actually, let me say, you can see, yeah, here to me it's a red zone. Actually, I want, even if maybe it will be a nice buy somewhere here, I won't buy. It's already very high. We know that NASDAQ, it's a bullish market. Actually, it always goes up, but it also respect technical analysis, still respects the rules, even if maybe it's always going up, but you should stick to the rules. That there is very high, guys. It's very high. People, they can still trade that and make some cash, but I don't recommend you to do that, because if you want to trade for longer time, 70% of the time there you're gonna lose. You might win maybe 50 or 30 or whatever, but most of the time this point you're gonna lose. So my plan here for me to buy is to wait for the market to come somewhere maybe here, then I can buy. But at the moment I'm not convinced, so I'll only buy when, let me go to a very small time frame. I will only buy if you can see this thing here. You can see my resistance. I can only buy when yeah, let me just go on a 4-hour time frame so that you can see very clearly. I will only buy when the market, if the market can go and break this. You can see this is our old resistance here, our old resistance trend line. If the market can go here and break this point, then I'll be convinced. Then I'll wait for it to come and retest, then I will buy from there. Then you can see here it will be another new, it will be a very nice sorry, I want to, it will be a very simple and straightforward, because every time when you place an order or a position, everything must confirm with your rules, or if you don't follow the rules, then in this market you will just donate your money, because you can make money maybe for 2 or 3 days in a row, but when the bad day comes, you will just lose everything, because you will not be because you don't follow the rules. So I will just buy when it crosses here and comes here, then I will buy. But at the moment, this zone, I understand that my market broke this, obviously, but it's already high. So it means on this triangle thing here, it's like a reverse triangle, I will not do anything. So at the moment I'll just focus on US30, because the analysis there, it's very straightforward, it's simple. So here I understand the market is still very bullish. Even if you can draw the resistance line, is gonna be very clear. Let me just try to draw that for you. Sorry. Even if we try to draw the small support here, still gonna make sense. You can see the market still pushing high, so that's why we are in this triangle. So you don't want to, they call them wedges, so you don't want to buy when you are in this type of stuff. So it's also a good opportunity, because you'll just wait for the market to reach this point. If it breaks, then you know you will buy somewhere here. If it drops, then if you want to sell here, then you will sell. But I don't recommend anyone to sell from this point, because this is still on a very nice uptrend and very strong uptrend. So the best way is to wait for it to, if it breaks, it can break, then you can get it somewhere here, then you can just ride with it, you see. So but since the market is very strong, there is possibilities that it can break our support, our resistance here, and just go up. You know, NASDAQ do stuff like this now and then. You can see from, let me just make this, you can see from here it was just going up like that. But the best way, just wait for it to break this point, then you can buy it. You can see for you to, I just want the same similar example, then that you can understand what I'm really talking about. So let me just go back. But here it's similar, but here actually it was going down. It was on a downtrend, then it broke here, then you see there was a change of of trends. It was starting to go up. You can see from down to up. But even here, even there, it can change from again from uptrend to another uptrend. It can go from this point to creating another. Let me delete this one. It can go from this point. If it breaks here, it can go from here and create another uptrend. It's very possible. It's very possible. So thank you guys. I don't want to make this video very long. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share, so that at this point, you know that we are waiting for the market to reach this point, and this point, then if it's a buy, we're gonna buy. If it's gonna go down, we're gonna wait for it and buy it somewhere here. Thank you guys.